It seems smooth on your mobile. Yeah, so hopefully this is better. I was recording a video yesterday and I was experimenting with higher resolutions. I guess, yeah, it did end up working out anyway. So yeah, I changed it back. Hey, welcome back, John. Build the failed. So we'll make this at main actor. So that is main actor. So then what are these? Oh, those warnings just disappeared. Sweet. Main actor isolated property. It was semi-running decent, though, at 140 down. Well, I hope it's running better now. That's a good example of an experiment that I just forgot to turn off. I feel like everything's an experiment. Like everything is like, I think this might work, but it might not. I guess like I went out for lunch and the restaurant took a really long time to make the food. And then I was late. But it was really yummy. Maybe you can make an OBS profile for recording and streaming. Yeah, I thought I did. That's why I didn't realize it was still active because I'm back on the old profile. So it must not be a setting that's outside of the profile, or I don't know. Either way, I'm not going to be using that high resolution for video going forward anyway. Let's see. So this definitely is sendable. So can I say at sendable on it? Cannot be applied to this declaration. Do I implement sendable? Oh, I didn't do it by profile. I did it by scene collection. Okay, I guess that's one explanation. Yeah, 4K is overkill for now, for sure. Until internet speeds globally get faster. Yeah, the OBS settings aren't affected by profiles. Yeah, exactly. Is chat showing up on stream? Testing. I guess not. Oh well. I have to fix that another time. Okay, so main actor property API client cannot be referenced from sendable closure. This is an error. So can I make this at main actor, and does that fix the error? John says the old recommendation was 720 to make sure not to segregate mobile users. I mean, if 2080 or 2880 was fine for you, then I think 1080 is probably going to be fine for you also, right? So I have this as a dispatch queue. Should I make this a task instead? Oh, I guess that worked. And then can I say dot user initiated? No exact matches. John says I'm on 5G, ultra wideband. Not everyone has that. Oh, Aiden says I think 1080 is pretty solid for most people, unless you're in Southern Europe where your internet is super slow. Yeah, I've been doing 1080 forever and I had no complaints until today when I was accidentally doing 2880 unintentionally. There we go. Okay, so that's pretty much the same idea, just we get to use task now instead of dispatch queue. I'll take it. Which I guess means we can do the same thing here too. This is going to be priority, and this is going to be task, and then we can delete that. John says, yeah, a lot of places have 4G minimum these days, but out by my dad, there's only LTE sometimes, not even that. I don't keep track of radio technology anymore, to be honest. It's been a minute. And I guess this can be also, we can use the task thing here. We can say that this is main actor.run. And this is await. Await. And this can be main actor.run as well. Time to walk horses in. Aiden says, I think your dad wouldn't watch Twitch though. I feel people who move to sort of remote locations do so on purpose to avoid this stuff. I have no idea. I've moved to the least remote place I possibly can of New York City. Been here 17 years now. Add main actor to instance method formatted with. Okay. Well, I'm very happy to see both of you today. It's so nice streaming to people, having an audience. Iden says, "You see, I'm on the edge of being remote. An hour 30 to get to city where uni is by bus. Well, buses are slowish, right? How long by train? Do you have a train option?" I mean, that's another reason why I'm late today. Because my leg is hurting, I took the bus, which is slower than the train. No trains. Oh man. Yeah, China has so many trains these days. I wonder if they need a subway app. Let's see. So this should be at main actor. ID cannot be referenced from a non-isolated context. Can I call this sendable? Well, who's referencing it from a non-isolated context? Call to main actor method. Oh, formatted with. Oh, can I make this main actor? Ooh, oh, this is getting funky. Let's go back one step. Oh, because this reaches out to single to get the current date. Ooh. Yeah, I think I should commit here. Chinese underway with UK underway. And maybe Tokyo as well. Oh man, Tokyo would be wild. You ever see their trains? It's like spaghetti or a big bowl of ramen. Iden says, yeah, I was working really hard while lurking in your stream towards the end of the week. Oh, nice. An ERD diagram. Or is that British for herd, dropping the H at the beginning? ERD diagram. Entity relationship with a mermaid chart. Yeah, I guess this is kind of an anti-pattern, passing in now right here. We should refactor that. Yeah, let me commit before going too much further. Swift 6 progress. So formatted with is called from up here. Yeah, I wonder if I can pass in now instead of having to get it from outside. So if we do that, then that's going to give us some errors. We can follow back up the track. And we'll pass in a now, which means we'll have to get a now passed in here. Same thing with the initializer. Has non-sendable type NS attributed string. Stored property of sendable conforming has non-sendable type NS attributed string. So how am I supposed to send an attributed string? I guess those could be computed. Aiden says, I really dislike the diagramming bit of software engineering other than flowcharts. Yeah, I hear you. I don't do much diagramming myself. And it's attributed string. Okay, so where do these get set? Can I make it non-sendable? Build failed. Okay. Right, because I haven't passed in now yet. So we'll need to get an now equals and this will be at main actor. And then all those will eventually be at main actor, but we don't need to go too far ahead. Uni wants us to have diagrams for assignment. That makes sense. Let's see. So this presenter, how should it get the date provider? I guess we can inject it the way we did everything else here. So that gets in the wireframe. Presenter dot date provider equals single dot date provider, and I guess this can go at the top. Does the wireframe need to be at main actor? I don't know if it needs to be, but it can. Aiden says, I have a nice use case and entity diagram for them now. Right on. Yeah, so here we can say date provider dot now. Right, so then we go like we did before, we do task priority. There we go. Still feels weird putting main actor everywhere, but this is starting to make sense. Oh, we have some funky stuff here. Cannot be referenced from a non-isolated context. That is true. Damn. So does that mean we've... Okay, we didn't finish the other one yet, so... I love this song so much. Priority. Await main actor dot run. Build succeeded. Main actor isolated instance method. So then this can be at main actor. Right? Hey, another file with no more warnings. Only 57 more left to go. Okay, we are getting places. I want to get some water. So some Twitch streams have like gambles, or you can like bet your bits or channel points on something. I was trying to think of a fun way to do that for this stream. Because I guess right now it's just like me coding, which is fun, but I'm like, how can we make it more of a Twitch stream? So I was trying to think of like, what can we bet on? And it's like, how, like some of the bets that people do on Twitch feel kind of contrived. Like it's not really a bet. It feels like. Iden says, yeah, the only way is to gamble on if you can fix problems or how long it takes Xcode to build stuff. Guess we could bet on like Xcode crashes. Because I see 57 issues and be like, I don't think we're going to get one done a minute, but we might. Okay, well, we did make progress, so let's commit. Swift 6 progress. If only. I mean, it goes back to like, what are my goals for the stream? I mean, my goals are like meet people, share what I'm good at. And so far, like those two goals are are working. I've met people and I'm sharing what I'm good at. The third goal would be like have fun with it, which I'm not having fun. The first two really make a lot of fun for me. But I wonder if we could make more fun here. Might be something to get AI to work on, though. Hey, AI, come up with some cool stream ideas. Is that what you're saying? Service alert table selected. Oh, that must be in here. I just feel like programming is like already so difficult that adding more stuff just kind of slows it down. But I guess like why do people watch me? Is it for having fun and watching me be what I'm good at, or are people looking to be entertained in another way? Like, should I try to make this more entertaining or focus on what I'm doing? Oh, that's what you mean. I got it. Okay, our issues just reloaded or something? Where did our spot go? Personally, I just have you on in the background while I do some coding before bed. Oh, right on. New updates. Oh, so this needs to be at main actor. Task priority. Wait, is this deprecated? What did it get replaced with? We can figure that out later. Why are we all of a sudden getting this? Yeah, I don't have to figure it out now. Just like even just getting the like getting a streaming schedule where I'm having fun on a schedule, people know when to expect me. Like just getting those in place, like that's a great start. I'm very happy that I've got that down. And I guess I'm starting to look at, what's the next frontier as far as streaming goes. Because I guess ideally I'd like people that like the app, and I'd like people that like to see me work, and I feel like that would be a really fun life. Call to main actor isolated instance method pop from a synchronous. Okay. I'm not sure how to navigate that one yet. Let's stick with these other ones first. Maybe I should do these extension ones just because they really clog up the issue list. Receipt data was never used? Oh, that's true. Look at that. What am I doing here? So I no longer verify receipts with my own server. So can I just delete everything in here and just call it a completion? Oh, so there's the resource does not exist version, and then there's this version. Oh, that is a bigger, this is a bigger ball of wax. I don't like this. Catch block is unreachable. I feel like there's something missing here. So I guess everywhere we call this just needs to be removed. So where is the interface that declared that? There should be an error. Yeah, in-app purchase service interface. Where is that? Yeah, so we can delete this here. He's live in that area his whole life. Oh, he's lived in that area his whole life. He didn't get high-speed internet at his house until 2007. And it was DSL. Try to get him Starlink or something if he really wants to watch Twitch. Do 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 do. Starlink is but DSL is faster. Right on. I have neither of those. Okay, so we can just take this retroactive thing. Extension declares a conformance to imported type. This will behave differently. Okay, so we'll do that retroactive thing here. that was a whole bunch of changes. I'm going to commit that stuff too. Spooky, hilarious. Down to 13 issues here, but I feel like I can see more than 13. I don't know why it says 13. Oh, maybe it's just 13 here. And then there's 105 here. Main actor isolated, so we can add main actor here. Cannot be used to satisfy non-isolated protocol requirement. What is the protocol? I don't see any protocols. Oh. Can I try this? Is that gonna do anything? There we go. Down to, I guess that was 9 warnings we fixed there. Yeah, it took a long time to not just freeze when Xcode froze on stream. Learning to love the weird stuff that happens when live coding. Main actor isolated static property cannot be referenced. Add main actor to instance method. Can I just add main actor this whole thing? I can. Now we have a whole lot. Now I have 209 warnings. Build succeeded. Oh, okay. So all these warnings disappeared also. So these we can switch to the task thing like we did before. This is at main actor. Yeah, this is at main actor. So here it's this one is not deprecated. Why do we get a deprecation warning? Oh, user interactive will be removed. Okay. User interactive. There we go. Who's going to win the halftime show tomorrow? This is main actor dot run. Oh, wait. Priority, and this is task. Oh, this should be user initiated. I finally played some video games last night for the first time in forever. I re-downloaded Hollow Knight. I never beat that game, but I got a lot of completion percent, or whatever it's called. That game is such a vibe. I never got far in it, but it felt like a great game. Yeah, it's very nice to walk around in. Await main actor dot run. Maybe I'll just copy paste this instead of typing it again. And then there's a new update for the Beaver game, Timberborn, where you can build subways now. So I'm excited about that. I haven't gotten to try it out yet. No async operations occur? Okay. No async operations occur. Okay, that's cool. This was a change I made when I was still getting used to what the hell we needed to change. Are you going to get the collab shout out for your app? Oh, for the Timberborn game. I'm not super great at those puzzle platformers. Yeah, me neither, but that doesn't stop me from having fun. When I play them, I haven't played video games since I think I played December. I played like 3 hours of games maybe. Look at all these files with no warnings. Oh, it's so cool. Main actor isolated property cannot be referenced from a non-isolated context. Okay, but I need this, right? Like I need the app database. Can I say at main actor on here? Oh, okay. if it's that easy, then I'll just do that. Every time someone builds a subways, you get a QR code pop up for your app. Yeah, I need to figure out how to collaborate with more people to promote the app. Because there's people that really like the app. I just need more people to know about it. Navigation toast wireframe. Can I just at main actor this thing? Yay. Cannot be used in, well, can I at main actor this? Oh, the protocol demands it to be, well, then just main actor that, right? That's how it works. And can I at main actor that? Does that work? Okay, cool. 86 over here and 42 over here. Yeah, I guess it's difficult holding my strengths and my weaknesses at the same time. Because I guess in some context, a weakness can be a strength and vice versa. Let's see, I guess this should be await main actor. And then what's going on down here? Oh, this shouldn't be detached. Who is this here? So this is the view model for the arrival detail screen, and we are reaching out to arrival timestamp formatter. So that is that's just chilling out. Oh, I see. This is at main actor isolated. So can I isolate this on the main actor? What's that gonna cause? Let's build and see. Okay. I guess that worked. Can I just at main actor all these guys? Nice. Call to main actor isolated method in asynchronous non-isolated context. So can I just put at main actor on it? Still seems like just slapping main actor on everything is kind of the way to go for UIKit right now. Cannot be used to satisfy. Okay, so then we just make this. I guess it's stuff like this right here. The protocol is main actored and here the function is. So I put it on the protocol. I'm not sure which I prefer. I guess on the protocol kind of makes more sense to me because then it's just everything in the protocol. But I guess I did build all of this stuff to run on the main actor back before that was a thing. So I think it's okay. Main actor isolated property analytics cannot be Oops. There we go. Extension declares conformance, so we'll do that @retroactive thing. It's like I could pivot to become a Timberborn only streamer. That could be fun, but I think I'm supposed to keep some stuff for myself and not try to monetize every single thing I do. Okay, so that disappeared. So you can do the @retroactive thing here. So this is already on @main actor. Oh, it just needed to recompile the file. Oh yeah, this is a little unfortunate. Oh, okay, or we can or we can just do it. That was a ton of changes. Yeah, let's commit, say Swift6 progress. Okay, that just needed to reload itself. Content added insets was deprecated in iOS 15. This property is ignored. What's my latest iOS that I'm supporting? iOS 15. Oh, okay. When using UI button configuration. So do I need to set a configuration here instead? Self dot. And then what is this? UI button configuration. Mini, small. So there's the size on here. Can I get some documentation? We're on a repeat here. Let's find something else to listen to. This was, Kendrick was fun, but let's see. What else can we listen to? Maybe some Snake Jazz. Okay, so what I'm trying to do is, so which button is this? This is the arrival view model. Is this on the, is this even used? If I comment this out, who complains? I guess that's always a first good check, see if we actually need this or not. Okay, I am using it. I'm using it to yeah, so then how do I construct a configuration with what I want? Image padding, button size, content insets. The distance, okay, I guess this is what I use. NS directional insets. Huh, looks like I have to make one and then edit it. UI button dot configuration cannot be constructed. Okay, well then how do I make a one? I guess plain and then edit it. Configuration dot content insets equals zero, zero, 0, 10. And I guess I want the content alignment also. I guess I'll do the same thing for the actually I don't like this one doesn't seem to be deprecated, so do I even need to do anything? Let's try keeping it. And let's run the app. Let's see if it works. Looks okay. I guess so. I guess I don't have it memorized what it's supposed to look like. But it seems okay. Oh, I guess we can go to a closed station. I think, are they still working on 75 Elderts Lane? What are the closed stations these days? I should show that in the app somewhere. Broad channel. Yeah, I mean, there's just no trains at all at that station. Let's see. Church Ave. Which Church Ave is that, though? Well, there's trains here. There we go. There's the station closure. And yeah, that does look like it's been centered, or it looks fine at least. So that's cool. What a nice app. Cool. I guess I'll say that looks fine. Let's see. What else do we have? Capture of self. So this should not be detached. And this should be await on the main actor. There we go. So this is main actor. Oh, okay, it just needed to reload. Shouldn't WebKit be up to date since it's an Apple library? This one keeps popping up, and then we load the file and the warning disappears. See, it's just popped up again. Now it's disappeared again. Now it's back. Like, what the what are you doing, Xcode? Forming unsafe raw pointer to an in-out variable of type string exposes the internals rather than the string contents. Where do I use this? If I comment this out, does anybody complain? Might be able to just delete this, and that's a great way to get rid of warnings, is just delete the file. Wow, that's a nice chunk of stuff gone. Am I using this ID? Can I do the same thing and just delete it? I guess not. Okay. Yeah, I guess I was doing this to try to save some data on a bar button item. Oh, can I just remove the at and will still work? That'd be cool. And nobody dies if we like click around. Click some bar button stuff. Oh, why isn't filtering working? That's weird. The other buttons seem to work. I guess I should look into that. Let's see. I think it's called the station filter screen. Yeah, do we get anything in here? So we hit here. We hit here. And then nothing happens. Okay, then we're inside of the Create View controller. So we never get down to here. I bet one of these is failing. Yeah, I guess that's the change with when we took off the ampersand there. Let's see, close other tabs. We have a million of them open. Bar button items. So if we put this back, does it work? Yes, it does. Okay, so I guess the problem is this does need to be ampersanded. Yeah, because I think I'm using this to figure out if the bar button item is in the view or not. Might just have to live with that error a little bit longer. Hmm. Am I supposed to create an NS string out of it or something? cannot convert value of type NS string to expected argument unsafe. So it does want to be a raw pointer. So what's the problem? Unsafe raw pointer returns a value associated. Okay. I guess we need to read some documentation. Sets an associated value of a given object. Yes, exactly what I'm trying to do. The source object with association, the key, the value, and the policy. This is very bare. Forming an unsafe raw pointer to an in-out variable of type string exposes the internal representation rather than string. Yes, that's fine. It's actually what I'm trying to do. So how do I unsafe raw pointer? Results in a dangling pointer. Well, can I deallocate it later? T dot. It still says it's dangling. I'm not sure how to get around this this warning. I guess we can hit it with the Googles or the Stack Overflows. That's not what I tried to copy. I tried to copy. Well, here's the Swift forums asking the same question. Oh, they're doing the same thing I was doing. With unsafe pointer 2. Oh, okay. This is, I think he's an official Apple employee, or at least used to be. Oh yeah, he still says at Apple. Let's try what his suggestion is. Cannot find self in scope. What? Oh, because I have too many closing curlies. Okay. Is that going to work? Just some like key floating off in space there? Well, I guess we can try fairly easily to see if it'll work or not. I guess it is working. Look at that. And I kind of just want to restart the app just in case. Okay, we can just malloc 1. Why not? How does that work? Is that scoped to here? Like, how many other places am I using this? I guess I'm using it here also. Yeah, let's try that also over there. Make it private, why not? Well, I guess it's just a straight up new pointer. So I guess that's why it works. I wish I knew which buttons I'm using this on. Let's see, on the popover, see more. I guess that's, is that the, is that this? Is that what I'm doing it on? Did tap see more? I guess so. Cool. Well, I learned something today. That's cool. People pay a lot of money to learn things. Okay. Fixing raw pointer warning. I guess do the same thing over here. Hardly any, hardly any of them yet left. Margin guide key. Okay, cool. Oh, I guess we need another one with the same idea. This the other name. We can delete both of these. Very cool. This I love doing. I mean, that's kind of a funky thing to do, an Objective-C thing to do. And I guess there's a way to do it without any warnings. I mean, the warning is new, but still, that feels really cool. And these disappear as soon as I load the file. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with that. As soon as I go away, they come back. Very, very cool. I guess we should run the app real quick just to make sure nothing exploded. Everything's looking great. Let's see. Let's look at the service alerts. Great, great, great. Yeah, some SHA-1 error, so we can do that another time. Oh, what's this? Without being in the view hierarchy. Ooh, that does seem important. Let's see, fix more unsafe pointer errors. Make a symbolic breakpoint. Okay, so yeah, let's put a breakpoint on that thing. How do I create a new symbolic breakpoint? Okay, let's see if we can hit it. I'd have to reload the app to see what's causing that. Still have not hit it. Oh, now we hit it. So why do we get the warning here, but we didn't get the actual stack trace? So I've clicked through every screen and it comes like so much later. And it's not actually hitting this. Just waiting a moment to see if the alert comes through. Now it does, but we haven't hit the breakpoint. Make a symbolic breakpoint at. Service alert table view. But on which screen? Because we could look at it manually. And can we do a whole word search? So I call layout first. And it's after view did load, so yeah, it's added to the table view, so that seems fine. Is it on this one? You did load layout. It's doing the exact same thing on both of them. I am a little confused. Is there anything in the init that I'm doing? Registering some cell classes. Setting a data source. Adding some more subviews. I really wish we could, oh, thanks so much for the follow. I really wish we could see what where this is happening. Let's see, delete all these breakpoints. Symbolic breakpoint. Okay, let's restart the app. There we go, now we hit it. Model did set. Oh, interesting. So I guess I'm setting the model somewhere before it gets added to the view. Let's see if we can figure out where I'm doing that. It really does seem to be the detail view. Yeah, here. What if we did that like last? Oh, we're not getting the breakpoint anymore or the error. Oh, no, we just got it. Crap. Again in the did set. Oh, I guess I'm setting a data source early. Is that what am I not supposed to do that? So we are getting close to the end of the stream here, but let's give it one more look. So nothing yet. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If we refresh this, still no problem. Click on here. 5, 4. Yeah, so it seems to really be on the detail screen. Right here on this apply. Updates the UI to reflect the state of the data in the snapshot, optionally animating. On the main queue. So this is on the main queue. Five, four, three, two. There we go. So when I made this a task, I got all these warnings. Cell model does not conform to sendable protocol. Oh yeah, when I made this sendable, we got the problems with the NS attributed string. Huh, interesting. I bet there's something we can do about that. Do we have an attributed string that is sendable? We do. However, this ID, can we make it sendable? value type for a string with associated attributes or portions of its text. How is this different from NS attributed string? So far, it looks better. Instance method append requires that NS attributed string Oh, we can just create one from an attributed NS attributed string. Okay, we'll start with that for now. Okay, that's looking good. We can just surround that for now. It's not so pretty, but will get us on our way so that we're going in the right direction. Build failed. So primary date message is a UI label. Yeah, so how do we do you need to convert this back to an NS attributed string? And I think we can do that with a flat map. Yeah, there we go. And then the secondary date. Build succeeded. Main actor isolated cannot be used. Okay, so at main actor. C5, 4. Okay, we hit it again. It looks different though. What if we just like only do that if we have a super view? We still get it anyway? How? Who is your super view then? We have no idea. Is that what you're saying? I'm not really sure what they want then. Let's put the guard at the top of the did set. Five, four. Yep, we're still hitting it. I wish I knew more. So if we play it from here. Oh, we have kind of more information. Not really, though. But if I take this... Oh, that's what's happening. This has to be on the main actor. That would be why. Okay. I think. No, no, we got it right away. I don't know. I'll have to come back to this one, but we got a lot of Swift 6 upgrade stuff done today. I'm super happy about that. Let's see. Further warnings. Cool. Well, I will see you Monday for the scenery stream. Thanks so much for watching. I really like sharing what I'm good at, and this is a fun way to do it. Thanks for sticking around. And yeah, I'll see you Monday for the scenery stream.